Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add highlight on Instagram from camera roll. So if you want to add highlights to your Instagram without posting everything to your story first, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add all photos or videos from your camera roll to Instagram highlights like a pro. So the first step that you need to do is turn on this story archive because Instagram only lets you add highlights from your past story. So first you need to make sure your story archive is turned on. So what you need to do is go to your profile and tap on the menu in the top right corner. Go to archive and make sure that the archive is visible like this. And if it's off, you can just go to the privacy story and make sure that the save to archive is on. And the next step is you can just add from camera roll to your story privately. So here's the trick: we'll upload a photo or video from your camera roll to your story, but only you will see it. So here you can just click on the plus icon and choose a video or photo that you want to add. So let's say I'm going to just use this photos right here, and what you need to do is upload it to your close friend. Here you can tap on this arrow first to adjust the close friend. You can click on this and choose only the friends that you want. Make sure that it doesn't people who often interact with you in Instagram, so they don't see it. You can just tap on that. Now you can just click on share, wait a few seconds, and here now it's archived once the story uploaded, as you guys can see here. And now you can just go back to your profile and follow the steps. So you can create a new highlight by clicking on this new in here, this plus icon, and then you can just select the story that you just posted, and here you can tap on next, and here you can choose a name from your highlights. Let's say I'm going to just use this one. Tap on done, and that's it. Next, you need to, if it's not working, you need to make sure that the story was posted for at least a few seconds and double check if your story archive is on, and you may need to restart the app full highlights to refresh. So now your added highlights from your camera roll like a pro. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and comment what your first highlight category is going to be. Don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.